Hello? I do. Sure. Yep. Right. Elizabeth, to the office, please. Okay, take a look up at the screen. Go on a quick tour here. Just want to point out a couple things I'll be talking about in just a few minutes. Should start to have a pretty good handle on where a lot of the mining operations were. Again, Bear Gap, Bear Valley, and yesterday I showed you some of the bootleg holes up here at the northern end of Bear Valley, and they are about right about in here. And a student in another class said that they come in on the Spring Glen side, and you can actually see them right off of this road. Now, when you get up in here, this is private property. You can see Rouse Creek. They go up there, they ride their four wheelers and side by sides and things like that. But down in here, this is all game lands, as you can see, state game lands 264, and you can walk right up through there. Let me also just show you this right up here at the top of Wickinisco. This was a mine. You can still see it if you walk up to it. And if we come over here to Williamstown, there's actually, this is part of the rail trail, okay? And I'll show you all these pictures here in just a minute, but I want to show you where it is on the map. You can actually drive up this road. Right here, the road actually stops. I'm not sure why Google Earth has it going this way. But this is all part of the game lands. And then if you walk up here, it looks a lot further than what it is, but just right up in here at the top of the mountain, if I can come right over in here, actually right in here, this is where the Williamstown Tunnel is. Now let me point this out. This one goes right through the mountain and comes out over here. And you can actually see both sides of it, okay? And I'll show you pictures in just a minute. This one was huge, as you can well imagine, mining right through. Short Mountain was also huge, and that one was back here. Okay. Right in here was actually the tunnel. And again, you can see the sulfur ponds there, which are to catch all the sulfur. But once again, I'll just mention it doesn't catch all of it because you can see this run that goes down to the Wickinisco Creek actually has the sulfur in it, which is rather invasive and detrimental to the creek. Okay, one more time, just mention this is the railroad line that goes up through, and this is extremely important because you're mining all this coal. You got to get it to market somehow. Okay, doesn't do you any good if you're mining the coal but can't get it to where the people want it. Has anybody ever walked on this rail trail? Just wondering. You ever done that? This is open to the public. Okay, you can just go right up there and walk through there, ride your bike, and then this is another extension of it. But it stops pretty much right here, and that was the Likens Valley Railroad. Okay. All right, let me show you a couple of pictures here.